A lawsuit does not start with the full balance sheet, but it can end there. In the last episode, we looked at what happens when wealth transfers to the next generation without the right structure. Today, we look at what could reach your wealth while you're still building. Wesley and Amy own assets, multiple properties, multiple vehicles, a successful medical practice, a business exit that is now public knowledge in their community, and none of that is a problem. Visible wealth changes the math on every claim that touches your household. The same accident that settles for $80,000 in one family can generate a $2 million demand in another, because the plaintiff's attorneys knows what the defendant owns. Sounds unfair, but true. Here is where liability exposure concentrates in a household like Wesley and Amy's. The recreational property carries outsized risk. Lake house, boat, and vacation properties are where weekend guests, alcohol, water activities, and unfamiliar environments combine. The liability profile of a lake house is dramatically higher than a personal residence, and most families insure it the same way. The asset that gets used the most casually is often the one that generates the largest claims. The young adult driver remains a pressure point. That 19-year-old is on campus with a vehicle. A serious accident involving a young driver with a high net worth household does not generate an average claim. This generates a claim calibrated to what the family can pay. Public visibility amplifies all of it. Wesley's business sale was reported locally. Amy's medical practice has a public profile. Their home value is in public records. Their vehicles are visible. Their lifestyle is not hidden, and none of that is wrong. But it means that liability exposure in the household is not theoretical. It is a function of how visible their wealth already is, whether they feel wealthy or not. The structure around your assets, how they are titled, how they are held, and how they are separated from each other determines whether a single claim reaches one property or the entire balance sheet. Your money may be doing its job. The real question is whether the rest of your system is doing theirs. André, and if you have property title in your personal name and have not reviewed the decisions recently, the next episode, property title risk, the details, that changes everything.